I'm fixing to cut the grass, but I think I need to cut my hair. Just need a bad haircut. Laugh? Okay, what are we doing today?
Changing the oil on your bad boy mower.
Changing the oil. What else? Sharpening the blades. We're not just doing that. We bought the whole kit. Didn't change my oil last year. Got a little lazy on that little detail. So this year I bought the whole thing. I don't know if you can see this. I bought this kit. We got a lot of work to do on this mower. Sharpen the blades. And change all that stuff. Get the oil filter, spark plug, air filter, fuel filter. That's a little smaller fuel filter than we got on here, but I guess we can make it happen. It's got this big one, this one. Fuel filter's the same, I guess, or oil filter's the same. I guess the fuel filter maybe just a little bit smaller. Some people say smaller's better, but I disagree most of the time. Oh, what do we got here? We got a Kohler 7000 Series 725, which means what? It's got 25 horsepower? Oh my gosh. I can't believe I let this go this long with this much crud. Always go, 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 and never do your maintenance. We're going to do a little maintenance today. Just, it's always so hard getting these blades off. Would you concur? Very hard to get the blades off. You usually have to jack it up, get a board under there, try to get the blades off. I just hate that.
Yeah. Maybe you could, like, use, like, a rope to, like, rip it up in a tree.
Rip it up in a tree?
Yeah, like, pull it up there.
Pull it up? Pull it up in a tree?
Yeah, like, attach a rope to, like, the front of it and, like pull it, hang it from a tree.
Oh. Well, let's go see if we can find a worthy limb to pull my mower up in a tree. That's a great idea, son. I would have never thought of that. I like this limb. This limb's looking pretty strong. Let's see if my finger can follow it. That limb right there. I like it. I like it a lot. About right there. Think we can get a rope over that to yank my mower up? This may be the biggest mistake of Leaf's life. To see his daddy cry when his mower hits the ground. What will you do with your daddy thrashing and crying on the ground when his mower hits the earth?
I would start laughing.
I wouldn't doubt that at all. Looky here what we found. A huge night crawler. How big is he? There's my hand. That's like supposedly 9 inches. I don't know. It's a big one. What's it gonna do? Think he'll crawl in my mouth? I don't think I can do it. I can't swallow it, no way. I can't do it, I puke. Our plan is already disrupted because of the earthworm. Now our big plan here is to take this little rope. Think it'll go up my nose? I can't take it. Whatever. Okay, I'm getting sweaty in my eye.
That was nasty.
Here, stick it in my ear hole. See if it'll go in there.
Oh.
I can't eat it. I'm gonna try. I could really have to grit it.
Yeah? Oh.
Okay, let's just use a ladder like a regular person would.
Oh, you got it.
Okay, you help the long rope go up. I think this limb's strong enough to hold my mower? Hopefully. So when we drain the oil, we're thinking this all out. I got this drain tube right here. Yeah, That's toward the front. So actually, to be reasonable, it'd be better to drain the oil with it on the ground. This probably just as easy on the ground. What else do we got? Oh yeah, fuel filter just as easy on the ground. Probably everything except for the blades. So let's just yank it up, grind the blades, set it back down, we'll drain the oil, do all this business. What else we got? Fuel filter, spark plugs.
Air filter.
Yeah. Okay, we'll yank it up and sharpen the blades, because that is very hard to get these blades off.
You better drain the oil before you put it up.
Drain the oil before I put it up?
Because if you tip up like that, the oil can go back in the carburetor.
Go back in the carburetor. Leaf, do you think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Drain the oil. Well, we could
Pull
just do the motor stuff. Yeah, drain the oil and yank it.
Do you think we should do everything else first?
Okay, we'll at least drain the oil.
Don't forget the worm.
The worms. Why does the worm scare me? I don't know. We're going to save him just in case we need him for some reason. I guess maybe it's either or.
Alright, I will leave it right there and put it back into the hole. Put the bucket?
Yeah, put it back
Try
in,
not to
put it back
get
in the
it.
hole.
Try not to get it in your eyes.
Yeah, it's terrible. It'll be 3 days with your eyes burning if you get it in your freaking eyes. This is a serious piece of equipment we're working on here. Okay. We'll dispose of this properly later, not in anybody's eyeballs. Very bad to get it in your eyeballs, I can tell you right now. Okay. Got the oil drain. Are we ready to yank it? Leaf's idea, and it's brilliant. This whole thing's his idea. Feel like you're in the West. Go ahead about 20 foot. Ease it out so the line gets tight. There we go. There goes my baby.
Okay.
That's a little high to get to the blades. Back up about 5 foot. Might reach the
Oh look, it's got dirt in the right next to the exhaust pipe.
That's okay. Ease her back about 5 foot. Oh! I can't reach the blades like that. Down gently, please. Come on back. Come on.
I don't think mowers are
Come
meant
on back. Come on
to
back.
be hung upside down.
Right there. That's perfect. Grinder. Do it a little at a time. You get your blades too hot and you'll lose the temper in the end. Let's come back to them a little bit. Let it on down. Come on down. Keep going. Okay, go on down. Good. Wait, I think I can come all the way to the top. Back down the other side. Can you make it? Think I can make it?
Maybe.
I don't think I can make it. That didn't go well. Let's see if I can make it.
Dang.
I can't make it.
Ding the bell.
What am I on top of?
The knot.
Oh. Hey, let's see, what are you trying to make it then? We better get back to business. We'll be doing momentarily. Fuel filter, we need pliers. Pliers. And that, we'll need pliers for that. You want to go ahead and try to do that?
Take off the fuel filter.
Or we could do the air filter first.
Yeah, that one's probably easier.
Take one.
pull that off maybe? A little bit smaller.
Need one of them rags. What do we got here? Water? Apparently you haven't even hang out upside down.
Is that oil or is that gas?
That is gassy oil, I would say. Gassy. I'm trying to daub it out. It might smoke like crazy when we first start it up. We'll find out.
Did he?
It's shorter, but I guess it'll work just the same.
What, did the oil go down in there still?
Yeah. A little bit. Not too bad. Okay, there's the air filter. Simple as that. Fuel filter over here, Leaf.
Oh, same thing.
Okay.
Made it
I haven't changed this thing in actually all 3 years I've had this mower. We'll not throw this away in case this one is subpar. Looks a little smaller. Okay, make sure it's the right way. It says go this way.
Yeah.
This is the correct way. Okay, just make sure. Pop it. Pop it. Very simple. Very simple. Slide this sucker back down. Oh.
Make sure you do it on the other one too.
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, that.
Okay. Okay. Fuel filter's done. Air filter's done. What else did we say we were going to do? Spark plugs. Spark plugs. Oh, the oil filter and the fresh oil. The fresh oil. We got to put some fresh oil. What was I fixing to do? Oh, oil filter.
Yeah.
Grip is strong enough or no?
Oh, I guess so.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, just to get it nice and oily.
You know how to do it. Man, it's got a new oil filter, new oil, all the filters. Fuel.
How much did that little kit cost?
70, is that more or less 70 bucks?
It probably, like, a long time, maybe
You got a phone in your truck? I got one right here in my hand. Pretty sure that's what it's called, phone. It's got water in it. Can solve that problem really fast. Yeah, but it kind of stunk too. Keeps it from breaking the porcelain end. Still not catching on the stick. Very hard to see. Maybe I could taste it.
Oh, so yeah, maybe if you taste it a little. You got it. You get it in your eyes. Sure, that won't matter if you just taste it real quick.
Okay. Let me just tell the viewing audience: never get used oil in your eyes unless you want your eyes to be pretty much shut down for about 3 days. That's what happened to me. Okay. There was a little oil on there, but I think it's residue in the tube, and it is not delicious. That guy obviously doesn't work safely. Not like us. Yeah, I'm going to put a little more. It appears to be.
Is your filter full yet?
No. Yeah, it's got enough for now. I don't need to taste the stick to see it either. Not necessary. But yeah, we're fixing to load the mower up on the trailer. Go mow somewhere else. We left the rope over there, so it'll be ready for next time. It actually worked pretty good. You had a great idea, son. Every once in a while, he has a great idea. Seth, have you ever had a great idea? No. You gonna make your craziest face like? Can you replicate my face on my logo? Can you replicate my face? You wouldn't even try? So we gotta do our outro. This is the outro. The outro was a nightcrawler coming out of my mouth. I'm not crazy enough to eat a nightcrawler. They're disgusting. Maybe if I sit on my beautiful mower, I could eat it. I am pretty hungry. I haven't ate all morning. Sometimes sitting on my mower gives me power. Why not? You don't know what? Oh.
Ooh.
can't do it. Seeing stars. I can't eat it. I can't help it. I can't. I got a weak stomach. Whenever I started biting into it, its juices and all that started hitting the back of my throat.
I could hear it squirting everywhere.
There's no way I can do that. Okay. If I was to say to click an earthworm juice bite thing that you like, I would not recommend it, but please click, click. Like and subscribe, please. Bye-bye.